بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وأفضل الصلاة وأتم التسليم على سيدنا ومولانا وشفيعنا وحبيبنا محمد. This is lesson 1H of the introduction to the Tarbawi Tafsir, in which we will actually discuss what it is. So, if you have been patient enough to remain listening until now, may Allah Azza wa Jal grant you fathun mubin, a manifest opening in all of your affairs, inward and outward, and open to us and you the treasure troves of knowledge through the word of God. So in this lesson, we discuss the innovation-based subgenre, which is a form that draws upon several of the classical subgenres to produce new knowledge. An example of this is the blessed works of our Sheikh Al-Habib Abu Bakr Al-Mashhur, rahimahullah ta'ala, in his explanations of the Quran based on fiqh at-tahawulat. His works are an extraordinary contribution to the field in both their theoretical premises and practical applications. He is our inspiration in opening the gates of exegetical exploration. And so we finally now come to the second innovation-based subgenre in tafsir, which is the Tarbawi Tafsir. It is a unique form of formal spiritual exegesis in which multiple classical tafsir patterns are employed. Its characteristics are as follows. The first foundation of this exegesis is narration-based. We draw upon the Sunnah directly. The second foundation of this exegesis is Sufic-based, however not of the illusion style. We differ from the illusion style in that its aim is to impart, our aim is to impart practical spiritual guidance, not theoretical Sufic concepts. The Tarbawi Tafsir is a scholarly exegesis. It is not based in personal reflection. Personal examples are only employed to illustrate its practical significance. This tafsir covers the entirety of the Quran, not just the Sufic verses, and it is unique in that it instructs students on how to read the Quran by defining a formal methodology of Quranic study. The Tarbawi Tafsir is the product of a lifetime of study and research in the fields of Arabic tafsir and ulum al-Quran. It does not contradict any of the Islamic disciplines, and in fact it runs directly parallel to them. The Tarbawi Tafsir is a method that holds the capacity of expansion and growth. Thus, students of its methodology will learn to employ it themselves. This was also the characteristic of the tafsir that was based in fiqh at-tahawulat. It can be expanded to other surahs if one understands his methodology. And lastly, this Tarbawi Tafsir is open to Muslims of all levels of Islamic education. We ask Allah Azza wa Jal for acceptance, for blessings, and that through it He grants victory to the Ummah of Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.